What's going on, everybody? I am back with another monthly update. This time it is for January of 2021. This is obviously the first month of the new year. I'm hoping I can do more sales this year than last year, but the year has already got it off to a very slow start. January has definitely been the slowest month I've had in a long time. I still sold the same amount of items that I usually do. I did not sell any big items, so the total is a lot lower than usual. It's about cut in half. So I will list out everything that I've sold right now. First is a Hummer H3 subwoofer for $75 plus $25 shipping. A Mercedes CLS 550 rear shock absorber, $150 plus $20 shipping. Volvo XC90 climate control, $70 plus $8 shipping. Jeep Compass taillight, $100 plus $10 shipping. RAV4 fog light, $50 plus $8 shipping. Volvo XC90 seat switch, $30 plus $5 shipping. Mazda CX-5 headlight, $175 plus $25 shipping. BMW taillight, $75 plus $10 shipping. And Volvo XC90 headlight switch, $30 plus $8 shipping. So that's 9 items for $755, which if you've been watching all of these videos is about half of what I usually do. I usually at least do over $1,000, so this is way under. There was $119 of shipping that was paid by the customers, and it was $116 to ship all the items, so that was pretty much equal. After you minus the shipping fees and the eBay fees of 13%, you end up with $660. That is well low of everything that I usually do. It comes out to about $73 average per item for those 9 items. As you can see, I did not sell any big items, no expensive headlights. I did not even sell anything for over $200. Obviously, my sales totals have been down. I'm okay with this. I do not have that much listed right now. I am busy doing some other stuff in my life right now, so I have not listed a bunch of stuff. So I am selling some of this little stuff. But as you can see, I sold another thing for my Mercedes parts car. I sold a couple more things for my Volvo XC90 parts car. So that is good. As you know, I've already broke even on my investment for that Volvo. So now every month, if I sell some more stuff, it's just more profit. So I'm happy to see that. Obviously, this month is slow, but like I've said before, I'm just doing this at my house on the side. It's all extra money for whatever I want to spend it on. So even if it's only $600, it's still more than what I had. I'm still happy with this. I'm gonna try to get some more stuff listed so I can sell some more things. I have some nice expensive items that I need to list. So hopefully at least in the next couple months, I can sell some of that and make some real money. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it, and I will see you next time.